Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you one of my creations after the very tense match of England versus Italy today. It was a 0-0 score, goalless. So the game happened in Wolverhampton, so I also made a Wolverhampton Wanderers logo design. And obviously I have the England and Italy flags here, so we'll start with those. So obviously what I did for the corner parts, I used, well, you don't need to use these, you can even use the 2x2 squares, and I put them on the corners like that, so you got 4 of those. And then these parts you can use a cross to make that part, so you can have this to do that. So that's basically a 2x6 going on here, and then just 2x2 ones here. It's the same size for Italy, 6x6, but they're divided into thirds. The first third is full green, second part's white, third one's red. That's the first part done. Now we're going to go on to the Wolverhampton Wanderers. So what I did here was, so here you can have this connecting piece. Well, so it's basically a bit like this. Oh dear, I forgot what that was. But you can just about fix that later. And also you have a tile piece here that helps stand it. And this is the Wolverhampton logo. So what I did was I used these 2 pieces over here like that. I got a 2x4 brick, put them on like that. Over here we also have another 2x4 brick with 3x2 slopes, 2 on each side. And here we just filled up with bricks, 1 layer. Altogether I'm pretty sure it's 2x10. And then we got smaller slopes on these sides. We just filled these parts in, and what we did here, we put in a white side here, and then we carried on like that, so we had slopes. This is the confusing bit. What we did here, listen carefully now, we used these connecting pieces like that one over there. We got this made out of a 2x3, another 2x3 slope, and 2x4 base plate there, and another 2x4 tile. So you put them on like that, make another one, put it on this way. What I did here, because I didn't have enough pieces, I got 4 1x1 bricks covered in a 2x2 base plate, and I just slid it in like that, there, and I just put it in this way. Now, just to let you know, this is actually done upside down, because if this was the right way around, it'd be this way, because look, the bricks are going up this way, so technically it looks like that, but obviously upside down it looks like this, which is the more interesting version. And oh look, I put it in the right place, look at me. And yes, that is my kind of design for the tense match that happened today in the Nations League. Well, thanks for watching, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video.